Hey, do you want to learn how to enable or disable narrator in Windows 11 PC? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use it. So in order to enable narrator in Windows 11, what you need to do is on your keyboard, you need to use these shortcut keys. So use Control, Windows key, and Enter at the same time, which is going to
Search
enable it.
scan, narrator window heading level 1, welcome to narrator, screen, and settings window, exiting narrator.
Now I have disabled narrator. What it basically does is describe what's on your screen. So it's going to read it out loud. Now you've got a keyboard shortcut. You can enable it or disable it from here. If you scroll down, you can also choose a voice for it. These are all the voices that they currently have. Add natural voices. You can click on this add button and you can download these voices as well. You've got the add legacy voices here and lower the volume of other apps when narrator is speaking. You can enable or disable it. If you're not able to hear narrator voice, you probably have not selected the right output device. So you can press here. It's going to give you a drop down and you can select that from here. There's verbosity level. You've also got the mouse and keyboard. So narrator key, you can select that from here. On touch keyboards, activate keys when I lift my finger. You can do that. And these are all the other settings inside. So you just need to scroll down and find what you're looking for, enable or disable it. And yeah, that's it. That's how to enable or disable narrator in Windows 11 PC. I hope this video helped solve the problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Windows 11 and other tech related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.